Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today we will talk about how to see the allotment for IPOs. So we see so many IPOs coming up these days. So today I will show you how you can check the status of your IPO, that is initial public offering. You can check your status in two places. One is NSE, National Stock Exchange, and the other one is BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. So this will depend on where you have applied for your IPO. So mostly if it is Zerodha, you might have applied through an NSE. So the first thing that you need to do is to create an account if you don't have one in this NSE portal. So you say sign up here. You need to put in the salutation, Mr. or Mrs. Then the first name, middle name is not required, last name, date of birth. When you fill this date of birth, if you scroll through this, you will see only till 1994. They have put the scroll bar till 1994. Then after that, again if you come back, then only you will see it. If you directly come here and search for 1993 and before, you won't see it. So you select first some number and come back here and select or the best way I will say is if you are not able to see the year, that is again a problem here in this website. You're not able to see the year, right? So what you just type in directly in that format. If you have date of birth is 00405 1949, that also you can type. So that way that number one problem is that sorted out. Now email ID you can confirm your email ID. Then you can put the PAN number, mobile number, address, city, state, country, PIN code, password, and confirm password. Now, and I had to click this checkbox. After doing all those things, you can hit submit. And after submit, it says it will send you an email, but I never got an email. So what you can do is, after doing all those things, you can come back to the previous screen and log in. This is your email. Username is your email, and password is the password that you put. So one more problem that you will get here is this is case sensitive. So if it is not working, it should work with small letters. If I put caps letter and there is this small letter, so this works only with small letters. So it's case sensitive. So in that case, you might see no user found if you're not putting the right case. So those are two issues you will get here. Now, after signing up and logging in, you will get to see a screen like this. It will show your PAN card, PAN number. Then you can enter the symbol of the IPO that you applied for. You also need to put in your application number. And after that, if you say get data, you can see the your allocation if you have been allocated. So that is National Stock Exchange. Now, if you go to BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, here you don't need to sign up. You just have to mention the radio button equity. Then you can say the issuer name. If it is Glenmark, let's say Glenmark. And you can put in an application number. The application number you can get it. If it is Zerodha, you can get it from IPO history, and there you will see the application number. And PAN number is your PAN number. And after that, you just have to put this captcha. I am not a robot, and say search. And if it is been allocated to you, it will show you the results of your allocation. I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.